Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
Thank you. My name is Arbat Hayatafan.
Okay, and you're from?
Okay.
What is your
Thank you.
nationality?
My nationality is I'm from Ethiopia.
Ethiopian. Okay, how old are you?
30 years old.
30 years old. So are you single or married?
I'm single.
You're single. When would you be able to start working? When can you start for a new job?
If you accept if you accept me, I want to start from now.
You can start immediately. Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE? Do you have relatives in UAE, such as, for example, sisters, cousins? You have?
Yeah, I have my brother.
Okay. So please describe your last job. What was your last job?
Today.
Yeah, what was your last job? You worked as a?
Yeah.
You worked as a housemaid.
Yes.
Okay. So what were your duties and responsibilities for your employer? Did you clean the house? Did you cook for them? What? What were your
For e-
duties? Mm-hmm.
yeah, for everything they want, I'm agreed for them
So
to
you're
help
willing
them.
you're willing to do household chores and also cooking.
Yeah, householding and cooking, even babysitter, everything.
Everything. Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet? Let's start with the living room. How do you clean the living room? What cleaning materials or equipments you use in cleaning the living room?
After 2 days, I cleaning what for dusting. The dusting is if they have chemical with chemical. That with Clorox, I have allergic with Clorox.
I have allergy with Clorox. So you usually use water and soap,
Yeah,
right? Okay. So for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
one time a week.
Once a week. The toilet, how
Yeah.
many times in a day you have to clean it?
The bathroom is every day.
Every day you clean it. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Just they first I take our orientation from them
Mm-hmm.
how how to open for who. If they told me don't open for everybody, I cannot to open. That
Okay.
the first time I take orientation from them.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
I'm not perfect, but I try.
So, you know basic cooking.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Okay.
You can. You can follow recipe books.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay. So, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
With children, like children, I play with them,
Uh-huh.
and I like so much with children to stay with children.
Mm-hmm.
So in my country also, I have experience for kindergarten teacher.
Okay. So, if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
First of all, I told them it is not good. If they do something wrong, it is wrong. I told them. After, if they doesn't listen to me, I told for them parents. That's the first time, 2 times, 3 times kindly. I told them it is not good, and the good one I will teach them, and the bad one it is not good. I tell them.
Okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
The first time they came, if they take shower first, I take orientation now also from them family. So how they take shower and what time they eat and what time they take snack. I will tell if they told me, I will do from them.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Okay.
Why should they hire you? What qualities do you have that makes you a good housemaid and nanny? Are you hardworking, honest, flexible, trustworthy? What?
I'm hardworking, but not too much. With like sometimes I'm working, and I want my time also for rest on the day.
Uh-huh.
I want for rest and I want time for myself also. But about the job, no problem. I'm hardworking.
Oh, okay. So, please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Abeba from
Uh,
8cv.com. Thank you.